Little man Bojangles and he danced with you in worn-out shoes, with silver hair and a ragged shirt and baggy pants, the old soft shoes. He jumped so high, and then he finally touched down. I met him in a cell in New Orleans. I was down and out. He looked at me, the eyes of age, as the smoke ran out. He talked of mine, talked of mine. He laughed, flicked his heels and stepped. His name Bojangles and he danced a little across the cell. He grabbed his pants and feathers danced. Oh, he jumped so high. Then he clicked his heels. He let go laugh, he let go laugh. Shocked back his clothes all around. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, dance. He danced with those and minstrel shows and county fairs throughout the South. He spoke through tears of 15 years, how it's dogging him. Traveled about, the dog up and died, he up and died. And after 20 years he still grieves. He said, I dance now and every chance in honky-tonk, for drinks and tips. But most of the time I spent behind these county bars, 'cause I drank a bit. He shook his head, and he shook his head. I heard someone ask him, please, please, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles.